Newsletter, Al-Mawrid USA, April 2026. Ramadan transmission of the Ghamidi Center. During the blessed month of Ramadan, special transmissions were arranged under the auspices of the Ghamidi Center, in which programs on various religious, ethical, and educational themes were broadcast. These programs were presented by Javed Ahmed Ghamidi and his various students. Most of the topics in these programs related to the month of Ramadan and the worship of fasting therein. Recordings of all these programs are available on the institution's YouTube channel. Al-Bayan. During Ramadan, a program titled Al-Bayan was broadcast as part of the Ghamidi Center's Ramadan transmission, in which the recitation of the Quran along with Ghamidi Sahib's translation was presented. The translation was rendered by Shah Nawaz Sahib, while the recitation of the Quran was in the voice of Mishri Rashid Al-Fasi. One episode was broadcast daily on the center's YouTube channel. All episodes are available there. The Virtues and Rulings of Fasting. During Ramadan, a series based on Hadith lectures titled The Virtues and Rulings of Fasting was broadcast on the center's YouTube channel. In these sessions, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi discussed the merits and rulings of fasting, along with issues such as making up missed fasts, fasting during travel, and various related juristic matters. Recordings are available on the channel. Audio version of Maududi's Quran translation. During Ramadan, the audio version of the well-known Quran translation by Abul Maududi was broadcast serially on the center's YouTube channel. This translation was recorded in the voice of Arshad Mahmood. One section was presented daily throughout Ramadan. All recordings are available online. Live question and answer sessions with Ghamidi Center scholars. During Ramadan, the Ghamidi Center organized various live question and answer sessions with its scholars. Participants asked religious, ethical, and Ramadan-related juristic questions. In the past month, 2 such sessions were held online via Zoom, in which Amar Khan Nasir and Amir Gazder answered questions. Recordings are available online. Ramadan and the Quran, Selected Surahs. During Ramadan, Dr. Khalid Zahir presented a daily short program titled Ramadan and the Quran, Selected Surahs. Its purpose was to convey, in a simple manner, the blessings and message of Ramadan in light of selected Quranic verses. All episodes are available online. Afkar Ghamidi. The weekly YouTube program Afkar Ghamidi by Manzoor Hassan serves as an important medium for conveying Ghamidi Sahib's ideas in simple language. In March 2026, topics included, what are the effects of fasting, what is itikaf, and prominent manifestations of piety. Recordings are available online. Ramadan, a month to become a better human being. Under the Ramadan transmissions, Muhammad Hassan Elias presented a program titled Ramadan, a month to become a better human being, broadcast every Monday and Friday. Its purpose was to familiarize viewers with the true demands of religion and provide moral and spiritual training. Recordings are available online. Dialogue Series. During Ramadan, an academic dialogue series titled Dialogue Series was organized. In these sessions, Amir Gazder and Shamsuddin Shigri discussed various Ramadan-related topics, including the reality and purpose of itikaf, rulings of Sadaqat al-Fitr, juristic questions related to suhoor and iftar, and the law of Eid prayer. Recordings are available online. Abu al-Qasim Muhammad, The Story of the Final Prophet. A series aimed at children and youth was presented under the title Abu al-Qasim Muhammad, The Story of the Final Prophet, narrated by Naeem Ahmed Baloch and hosted by Daniel Baloch. One episode was broadcast daily during Ramadan. All episodes are available online. Quran for Ramadan. Dr. Shezad Salim presented a daily English language program titled Quran for Ramadan, discussing selected Quranic passages. Its aim was to convey the Quranic message to English-speaking audiences. Recordings are available online. The Secret of Arab Progress and Signs of the End Times. In March 2026, Muhammad Hassan Elias recorded a discussion with Rizwan Ali in Qatar on The Secret of Arab Progress and Signs of the End Times. The discussion clarified prophetic narrations regarding tall buildings, emphasizing that such reports indicate circumstances rather than condemnation. Recordings are available online. Weekly lessons on Quran and Hadith. In March 2026, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi delivered lessons on Surah Al-Nur, 36-64, and Surah Al-Furqan, 1-18. Hadith sessions included discussions on virtues of prayer in sacred mosques, building mosques, the Qibla declaration, and etiquettes of prayer. Recordings are available online. Question and answer session with Al-Mawrid Australia. In March 2026, the Director of Research and Communication at the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning, Al-Mawrid USA, Muhammad Hassan Elias, participated in an online session organized by Al-Mawrid Australia. In this program, a question and answer session was held with participants, featuring detailed discussions on various intellectual and scholarly topics, and comprehensive responses were given to the questions posed. A recording of this session is available on the center's YouTube channel. Istifsar, with Dr. Amar Khan Nasir. In the March 2026 sessions of the popular question and answer series Istifsar, with Dr. Amar Khan Nasir, hosted on the Ghamidi Center platform, some of the key questions discussed included: is Ghamidi's thought inclined toward leniency? Why did God create angels to administer the order of the universe? Can rebellion against the state ever be justified? Can non-Muslims be referred to as disbelievers in the present age, and is it necessary in jurisprudence to follow a single imam? Recordings of these sessions are available on the center's YouTube channel. Ask Ghamidi. To enable direct guidance from Javed Ahmed Ghamidi on religious and ethical matters, a monthly online session is organized under the auspices of the Ghamidi Center. The primary purpose of this session is to allow individuals to obtain direct answers to the questions arising in their minds. In the March 2026 session, some of the key questions included: what is sunnah? Is marriage with a non-Muslim considered a valid marriage or fornication? If the Quran is clear, why is interpretation necessary? And what kind of faith does God require? Recordings of these sessions are available on the center's YouTube channel. Moral prohibitions. In this article, Syed Manzoor Al-Hassan explains, in light of Surah Al-Nahl and Surah Al-Araf, the fundamental moral prohibitions that the Quran has declared unlawful in principle, namely, indecencies, violation of rights, and unjust transgression. He clarifies that shirk and bid'ah are, in reality, the gravest forms of violation of rights and rebellion, and that all moral evils in existence fall under these three fundamental categories. This article may be found in last month's issue of Ishraq, USA. The prohibition of pork. In this article, Muhammad Hassan Elias elucidates the distinction between the pure and the impure in matters of food and drink, and discusses the intellectual and natural basis for the prohibition of pork. He explains that although the pig resembles herbivorous livestock in form, its dietary habits and dentition align it more closely with predatory animals, placing it within the category of doubtful matters. The article highlights that the Quran has explicitly declared pork unlawful, thereby removing this ambiguity for human reason once and for all. This article may be read in the March 2026 issue of Ishraq, USA. Tafhim al-Aysar series. In the Ghamidi Center's scholarly program Tafhim al-Aysar, the explanation of reports attributed to the companions and the successors, along with related question and answer, continues. The program is hosted by Dr. Syed Mati Al-Rahman, with Dr. Amar Khan Nasir participating as a guest. Among the key topics discussed in March 2026 were, the understanding of the Quran by Umar, may God be pleased with him, the understanding of the Quran by Abu Bakr, may God be pleased with him, and clarification of problematic passages of Quranic verses. Recordings are available on the center's YouTube channel. Ask Hassan Elias. In March 2026, on the well-known YouTube channel Muslim Today, the ongoing program Ask Hassan Elias by Muhammad Hassan Elias addressed several important questions, including, has Islam commanded 4 marriages? What is the reason for the finality of prophethood? Has jihad become obligatory upon Muslims under verse 72 of Surah Al-Anfal? And, is it permissible to violate the law in non-Muslim countries? Recordings of this program are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Salat al-Tasbih. In this research article, Dr. Amir Gazdar undertakes a technical and isnad-based analysis of the narration attributed to Abdullah ibn Abbas, may God be pleased with him, regarding Salat al-Tasbih. He demonstrates that all 7 chains of this narration, found across various hadith compilations, contain narrators such as Musa ibn Abdul Aziz, Hakam ibn Abayan, and Hamad ibn Amr, who are classified as criticized, weak, or even fabricators. From the perspective of hadith criticism, these reports are therefore deemed denounced or fabricated. He further notes that severe inconsistencies within the textual variants render them even more unreliable. Consequently, the establishment of Salat al-Tasbih on the basis of these narrations is not possible. This article appears in the March 2026 issue of Ishraq, USA. The Ghamidi Center's online Conca. Moiz Amjad conducts a weekly training session titled Online Conca on the Ghamidi Center platform, aimed at the purification of the self and moral development. Alongside spiritual reform, participants' questions are also addressed in a satisfactory manner. Among the key topics discussed in the past month were, are prayer and fasting merely symbolic expressions of servitude, an easy method for memorizing the Quran, difficulty in communicating with others, and how to cope with the fear of economic failure. Recordings of these sessions are available online. Islam Study Circle. Dr. Shezad Salim organizes a monthly session titled Islam Study Circle, in which he discusses various religious, ethical, and social topics in light of the Quran and Hadith. The session consists of 3 parts. First, a theme is selected from Quranic verses and explained. Second, selected prophetic traditions are discussed. And third, a passage from the Bible is examined. At the end, questions related to the topic are answered. Recordings are available on the Center's YouTube channel. GCIL Guest House for Guests. The Ghamidi Center has inaugurated a guest house to facilitate visiting scholars, speakers, and guests from distant locations. Located just 2 minutes away from the center, this residence will make participation in scholarly visits and training programs more convenient. Interested individuals may contact the institution for further details. Variant Readings. Dr. Shezad Salim is presenting, in English, a summary of all topics discussed thus far in the video series, 23 Objections. In the past month, he summarized the topic of variant readings. Recordings are available online. Ilmo Hikmat, with Ghamidi. Ilmo Hikmat, with Ghamidi is a well-known program of Dunya news that has been broadcast for several years. It is recorded in Dallas and aired weekly. It is hosted by Hassan Elias, Director of Research and Communication at the Ghamidi Center. In March 2026, some of the key questions discussed included, who are the Banu Ismail and what are their responsibilities, what is the importance of following the companions in understanding religion and practical life, is punishment for deniers of prophethood due merely to denial or also to rebellion, and how do devils influence human beings? Recordings are available on the Center's YouTube channel. Online private counseling sessions of Dr. Shezad Salim. The series of online private counseling sessions conducted by Dr. Shezad Salim for the resolution of social and family issues continues. In more than 30 sessions held during the past month, discussions focused on addressing the challenges faced by parents as well as the psychological and educational, formative and developmental, difficulties encountered by the younger generation. These sessions are proving to be an important resource for individuals who seek sincere guidance in their personal matters while remaining within the bounds of Sharia and ethical principles. Weekly iftar gatherings at the Ghamidi Center. During the blessed month of Ramadan, weekly iftar gatherings were organized at the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning, Al-Mawrid USA. Javed Ahmed Ghamidi, Muhammad Hassan Elias, and Farhan Syed participated in these gatherings along with their families and members of the community. These events were hosted by the associates of the Ghamidi Center, with the aim of further strengthening bonds of mutual brotherhood, scholarly companionship, and a sense of belonging among those affiliated with the institution. Issuance of fatwas based on religious opinion. The Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning, Al-Mawrid USA, has become an important center for guiding Muslims worldwide regarding the practical legal applications of Sharia-related matters. During the past month, numerous fatwas were issued concerning marriage and divorce, inheritance, and various economic and social issues. These fatwas were compiled by Muhammad Hassan Elias in light of the thought of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi. It should be noted that a fatwa constitutes a religious opinion, it is not a legal decree or a judicial verdict. Takeaways from Ramadan. In March 2026, Dr. Shahzad Salim recorded a program titled Takeaways from Ramadan. In this program, at the conclusion of the month of fasting, the spiritual, moral, and formative dimensions of Ramadan were reviewed. Emphasis was placed on how the positive transformations achieved during Ramadan may be sustained throughout the remainder of the year. This program is in English, and its recording is available on the institution's YouTube channel.